Hello and welcome once again to another QuickBooks tutorial. My name is Enoch Garcia. I'm with Honest Accounting Group, and today we're going to discuss one question that I get often is how do I get an uncleared transactions report? Now, if you don't know what an uncleared transactions report is, we're going to briefly discuss that as well. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to banking. Let's go to reconcile. I'm currently in a sample file, so none of these transactions are real transactions. They're sample transactions. So let's choose this bank account, and the statement ending date will be the month that you're reconciling and the ending balance. Okay, so currently these are the transactions we have that are uncleared. I want to mark them all. If you're following step by step, make sure you mark them all. And the reason is because I want to compare the report we're going to generate versus what is actually uncleared. So now let's go to reports, custom reports, and transaction detail. This box automatically pops up, and the reason it pops up is because we're customizing this report to what we want to see. Under account, let's hit the drop down and let's find the account we're reconciling. In this case is this Chase account. You can scroll down a little bit to cleared or search it in this search box. And we're going to select no. We are not looking for transactions that have cleared or both. We're looking for just the transactions that did not clear. Now let's hit OK. Now we don't have anything here because of the date range. So I'm gonna select this fiscal year. And now we have $100,000 in deposits and $48,672.07 in checks or expenses. Let's go to the reconcile screen so we can compare. So we have $100,000. Let me get rid of this. We have $100,000 in deposits and $48,822.07. So as we can see, there's a difference here. Now, if we look at the date range, we're only doing 2019. And if we go to our expenses, we notice that there's a 2018 transaction there. If I remove it, it matches up. But let's include it. And in the report, let's go to all. And now the amounts match. 100,000 deposits, 48,822. 48,822. Now you have the report. Let's say you want to add notes. You want to send it out to your team or discuss with your accountant, with your bookkeeper. You have a couple options. You can print the report, save it as PDF, or export it into Excel. Either way works. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and that you subscribe. We upload videos for QuickBooks every day. Any questions you have, anything you'd like us to cover, let us know. Thank you.